everyone, my name is Ayan and I'll be showing you something very gooey today. Slime! It's very cold. God. So I got this from my school, in Chester of course, and my sister loves this. Actually, she doesn't like that much about it. Well,
I got a new slime from my friend.
Well, peace out.
You can buy this actually not anywhere, but my friend, she bought it from Max. You can go to see. It's okay. So freaking cold.
And
Okay, so
now face it towards me. Okay, now this is how it actually looks like, guys. This is how it actually
it's
looks.
so wicked. Look, if you hold this, no, my other slime. No.
Give me that.
Yeah, you did good. Other slime.
Now we got ourselves a
No.
troublemaker. Now it's very gooey and
No.
cold. You can get this from anywhere, but only it's
Wait.
available. I don't know where you got this because where you get these from, but
It's like bookers.
I only know that I got blood bookers. Okay, can you put it back? Okay. Okay. Well, it's like I don't know where to get it. Either from Global Village. I only know to get it from. Okay, give me that.
Listen. Now in our school, he had a parents teacher meeting, so he wanted to surprise me when I came back home with that slimish kind of slime. Because I always wanted that when I was like 8 or something, but now it's so sad. I don't like it that much now. I like these kind of slimes, which are so gooey.
Can you give it back to me? Okay, now.
You hear the noise? Okay. So we got it from our school because they were sending it because it is Baji meeting, so we're sending it. Also, we're gonna celebrate mine. Baji, this is Thursday.
Okay, now, yeah. Well, that's it. That's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you like,
Icky Wicky slime. Subscribe. Nope.